Hello friends, now we introduce one really useful repair book for MacBook. It including 60 real repair cases and including all the model before 2080 year. Also including the common faults for MacBook. It's really useful. Also, this is the repair cases. You can see it clearly. Also, it including the needed tools, the BG immersion, and the microscope. Here also the unlocking tool. The unlocking tool is for all the model, and this is the BGA reboot kit for CPU and GPU and other IC. Also, this is the CPU testing fixture. Under the needed parts, the flex cable, the power cable, and the fan, all. And we have the long-term technology supporting if you join us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.